Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Professor Shivaji Gurda. In this engineering graphics, we will discuss the development of lateral surfaces. In previous lectures, we have discussed about the basis of the development of lateral surfaces. In that, we have discussed some examples how we can do the development if examples are given, if problems are given, then how we have to draw the top view, then from the top view how to draw the front view, and from the front view how we can draw the development. In this way, we have seen the problem of the development. Now, in this lecture, how the different solutions of the same problem will be there, we have to see. The problem is same, but the development will be the different, how it will come. So you can see in this possible solution problem, in the problem, we can see here the pentagonal prism is given, and in this four problem, there is the opening of the development of the solid is different. In first case, this solid is developed at point A. In this case, the solid is developed at point B, that starting point is B. In this case, starting point is C, and in this case, starting point is D. So, if the starting point is changed, the shape of the solid development of the solid is changed. We can observe here the different shape will come here when the starting of the development point is changed. So you can see here different possible solutions of the same problem, how it will come. So this is the very important. This solid is developed and starting point is A. This solid is developed at starting point B. This solid is developed at starting point C, and the solid is developed when starting point is D. Then different solution will come in the engineering graphics when problem is the same. Just differences of the starting point. Then different possible solution is coming here. Then next problem is the hexagonal prism having base is 30 mm, height is 6 mm, is standing on its base on the ground with one face is 15 degree to the VP. One face is 15 degree to the VP. It is cut by an AIP 41 degree to the ground and cutting the axis at a point 25 mm below the top base in the front view. Draw the development of the lateral surface of the remaining solid. Then you can see here there is the angle of AIP is given, auxiliary inclined plane is 41 degree. Then it cuts to the axis at 25 mm from the top base. So this is again condition is satisfied by the solid, and very important one condition is given, that is 15 degree to the vertical plane. So this face of the rectangular face of the pentagonal prism is 15 degree to the vertical plane. So we have to keep the hexagon is like this. So when we keep the hexagon like this, then we will take the vertical lines and will complete the front view. In the front view now, there is no coincidence of the two edges. If this is exactly parallel to the vertical plane, then F and B is coinciding and E and C is coinciding. But there is the angle is given, so there is no any coincidence of the any edges. So there is this different edges. So this F and E is invisible here in front view. So auxiliary inclined plane is given. Then take the horizontal line on this development. So in this case, the development having the this total length A to A is base edge is given 30 mm. So 30 into 6. So total is 180 mm. A to A distance is 180 mm. height is same, is 60 mm. So complete this development, and then take the intersecting point, mark the intersecting point, the mark that intersected by the auxiliary inclined plane and the vertical edges. So join all the points, we get the development is like this. Now again it is changed, the development, where in the earlier this lecture we have seen, if the starting point is changed, now starting point is A, if we have changed the starting point at B, so the shape of this development is changed of this truncated solid. Then if we starting point is changed, then at C, then again shape of the this development is changed. So in this way, we have discussed the development of the hexagonal prism having the angle makes with vertical plane 15 degree, and AIP makes an angle 41 degree, and it is intersecting to the axis at 25 mm top from the top base. So in this way, we get the development of this lateral surfaces of the hexagonal prism. Thank you.